Welcome back to the price prediction series. Today we break down the entire machine learning lifecycle step by step so you can understand how real-life prediction systems come to life. AI can look like magic, but if you understand the machine learning lifecycle, everything becomes clear. You will see how data becomes insight, how prediction systems are built, and why good results depend on a good process. We start with the most important step, defining the problem. In humanitarian contexts, this could be predicting maize prices for farmers, forecasting rainfall for planning food distributions, estimating market volatility to guide policy decisions. If the problem is unclear, the model will be unclear. This is where most projects struggle. Collecting clean, trusted data is hard and expensive. You gather historical prices, weather data, market information, household surveys, amongst others. The quality of your prediction depends directly on the quality of your data. Raw data does not enter the model directly. You have to fix missing values, remove duplicates, correct mistakes, and sometimes combine many datasets. This step usually takes the most time, sometimes as much as 70% of the whole project. Now we choose an algorithm and train it. For price prediction, we may use linear regression, random forests, or even neural networks. The goal is simple. Let the computer learn patterns from the past so it can predict the future. We test how well the model performs. Does it predict too much? Too little? Is it consistent? We use evaluation metrics to check if the model is trustworthy before deploying it. This is when the model goes live. Deployment means adding the model to a website, a dashboard, or even a mobile application so people can use it. Farmers, policymakers, traders, or humanitarian workers. Models decay, markets change, rainfall patterns shift. A good prediction system is monitored continuously. When the world changes, the model must also change. So, that's the full machine learning lifecycle, albeit briefly. From defining your problem all the way to monitoring your deployed system. We will be detailing each stage as we tackle real-life problems along the way. If you're following this journey, hit subscribe and join me in episode 5, where we build our first model.